welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Airplane Story! Yahoo! Don't ask why. So I made a airplane story last time and I am doing it again. So I waste D8. Oh come on, I have to set year again. That's 6. I was literally like, yeah, last time, bro. Hello, everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome to aboard flight 7325. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above the sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Yahoo! Feel free to explore the airplane. Nope, I'm gonna sit down like a good one. Also, how many people are in 1, 2, 3. I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people. That's good. Now, please find your seats as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. I just feel like using this, I just feel like using this account. Don't worry, my other account is unbanned. I reactivated it, but I just feel like using this one. Thank you for your cooperation. Hello. Hold up. Hello. Get ready as I prepare the stack for everybody. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. It could be poison. Whoopsie. Poisoned. It could be poisoned. Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy! What? I didn't even eat it, bruh! Well, at least it's me. I'm not feeling very well. Help me! Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo! Oh no! Quickly! We need to find running from someone's baggage! I'm gonna die, boy! Open up all these things. Is that mine? Yes, this is mine. I found it! I found my own bag. Oh, wow. Phew, that was a close one, me. Do you like how realistic my hands are? Good afternoon to all passengers. We've reached a stable altitude. I inform you we've reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Me. Huh? Who woke me up in my sleep? Oh, good night. Remember to stretch your legs. I would if I could. We still have a few hours to go. Well, stretching my legs. Oh yeah, stretching my leg. Did Queso just do 4 jumping jacks? Actually, no, it appears we've lost energy. Come on, as we try to fix it. Hold up, let me do. Guys, look! What is that on the right wing? Manta. Manta. It's a Manta. It's a Manta. It's Queso's. It's Queso after doing 50 jumping jacks. Yo, nasty bird. Are those snakes? Let's get into the restroom. Come on, where's the restroom? Oh, dodged. Okay, never mind. Not dodged. When is a bathroom gonna open? I think I see one. No, it's a captain's room. Guys, there's an open restroom. Where? Quickly, we'll be safer there. Yeah, just me and these two. Me and these two people. Come on, other person. Yes, what's up? What's up? What's up, y'all? Why does this guy have fake ARs? We know that's fake, buddy. I'm chill with this guy. Flynn. Oh, scary. We should discuss what the Sigma is hiding. Moon on toilet. Oh. What is this person saying? So this server speaks a different language. Hey dude. At least the text aren't a different language. I am now buff guy. Seriously, who would want to make their avatar with fake videos as well? Yeah. Power is back up. Yes, I said that. And the snakes again. Thank goodness. Where is the captain? Teaching on the wing is also good. Prepare. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. Satisfaction. Apple. The good news is the power is back. I just said that, my brother. And the bad news is sandwich was poisonous. Bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen masks will drop from over your seat. Oh yeah, this happened to me. Take one quick. Give me my oxygen mask. I need an oxygen. How do I get oxygen? No! This is how I die every single time. Bruh. I will try this again. Eventually. Okay, bye.